Photographs on the window glass, each one a galaxy, gone in a flash. Neon reflections blur and fade as the city dreams in a passing parade. The stranger stares like a statue in place, his shadow's a ghost in the window's face. 20 minutes or 20 years, time blurs in the rhythm of tracks and gears. Promises died in smoke-filled rooms, under diner lights and shattered moons. Memories drown where streets remain, lost and forgotten in urban rain. In urban rain. In her hand, a London address she'll never understand. The ink still bleeds but she's let it go, running from a future she'll never know. The clatter of wheels becomes a song, a heartbeat echoing all night long. Time dissolves in every beat as the city weeps beneath her feet. Promises died in smoke-filled rooms, under diner lights and shattered moons. Memories drown where streets remain, lost and forgotten in urban rain. In urban rain. Like endless wires, carrying tales of dead desires. Raindrops fall like second chances, fleeting as the midnight glances. Promises fade in smoke and pain, forever lost in urban rain.